In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all databases on Notion. Notion is a remarkable tool for organizing your life, work, and thought processes. Yet, sometimes navigating through your databases can be a bit overwhelming if you're not entirely familiar with the process. So today, we're breaking it all down into easy steps to help you master accessing and viewing all your databases in Notion. To begin this journey, open up your Notion app. If you're new to Notion, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The homepage typically consists of various pages or workspaces, each of which can contain a multitude of your work. Once you're feeling comfortable, get ready to dive in. Alright, once you're on Notion, you will need to click on a page. This can be any page that you've created or one shared with you. The page serves as a container where all your databases and notes will live. Think of it as the starting point for building your organized universe within Notion. Next, it's time to bring up the database options. To do this, you'll want to type in the / command followed by table. Simply type table into the page search. This is a quick and efficient way to access Notion's powerful table feature, which acts as your database. The power of Notion lies in these tables where you can structure your information as per your need. Following the / command, you're ready to click on the table view. You should see an option pop up that lets you select a table view. This will convert the space into a table where you can input data, track projects, or even manage a whole content calendar with ease. Now, one of the last and crucial steps. Once your table is ready, click on the Link to Existing Data Source option. This option is a game changer as it allows you to connect your current table to any existing database within Notion. Linking databases not only enables you to see all your collected information, but also ensures everything remains interconnected and easily accessible. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough way to view and manage all your databases in Notion. Navigating between the tables and linking them effectively allows your workflow to be seamless and dynamic, meeting all your organizational needs. Remember, spending a little time organizing your Notion workspace can greatly impact how efficiently you can retrieve and utilize information later on. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I hope it's helped demystify the process of seeing all databases on Notion, allowing you to use this versatile tool to its fullest potential. If you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy organizing.